Hey everyone, it's Noah from Aquatic Creations, and so now we got everything set up. Just wanted to briefly go over why we do pond cleanouts. The whole idea is that we want to basically pull out all the muck, change out the water, reset this ecosystem in a sense. So similar to how Mother Nature flushes out rivers during a heavy flood during the springs, we mimic that inside of a small enclosed ecosystem. So, hey, come on, man. Are you sitting here talking, yammering on? You got to get these fish out. All right? All right, drink a drink. That guy just wants to talk. Just wants to talk. People get it. Ponds get dirty, and you clean that. Right? All right, Chloe, you want to catch a fish?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, grab your net. You help us do a clean out. All right, just hold it down, hold it flat like this.
Like that?
Yep. Yeah, and just kind of get up close to them. Get that real big one. Just go real easy. Let them get used to your net. Oh, he's almost in there. All right, lift up, lift up. Good job. Careful. There you go. All right, when you put them in like this, and then pull back. Perfect. And then scoop out your debris. There you go. You can fling it over there on your mom. All right, let's get another one. All right, fix your net. This is the fun part about cleaning out ponds. You get to catch all the fish and frogs and tadpoles, and maybe there's some salamanders in here. You might have to scare that one to that open area. There you go. Just get down underneath of them. Lower your net. Like that, let them swim into it. All right, lift up. There you go, perfect.
Swim out.
Get away, buddy.
Swim out.
All right, perfect. Oh, geez, there's a bunch of
six
there.
in there.
I know that cave goes way back there. All right.
I hate putting my hand like where I can't see it.
Yeah, you had a snapping turtle in this pond, didn't you?
Oh, wait, we did.
Is that it?
Yep.
Got the debris out, and so now we're going to pull apart the biofalls. You can see this is ready to be cleaned out. So we'll lift out the rock tray that's up top. We'll pull out the bracket. Bio balls. And we have 2 filter mats inside of it. These are ready to be rinsed. My goodness. So, a quick tip on the biofilters. These guys, you should rinse them down throughout the summer, like maybe once or twice, whenever they get kind of gunked up. But don't sterilize them. Just more or less hit them real quick with a hose and then shake the junk off of it, and then put them back in. So now we got everything out. So we'll stick a vacuum down here and suck all the gunk out of it, and we'll power wash it, vacuum it one more time. After we power wash the filter mats, then we'll put everything and reinstall it. So then we'll take apart the skimmer, take the lid off of it, pull out the basket, and then the filter mat's already been removed. And then now we'll disconnect the check valve. The reason for the check valve is to basically hold all the water that's in that tub and that plumbing line, so in the event that you cut this off for whatever reason, all that water from that biofilter doesn't drain back in. So you can see we're ready to clean that puppy out. So we'll do the same. We'll drop a vacuum down inside of it, we'll power wash it, and then we'll vacuum it again, and then we'll reinstall the new media.
Gross!
You want them? I hold them tight.
See, kids love this stuff.
I got him.
All right, just go put them back in the water. So what we do here is that we'll take this front cover off. You can get a screwdriver in right here between the grill. Go ahead. We'll pop the protective cover off the front of the pump. And that is worst case scenario. So we highly recommend to clean your pond every year. But inside of it's protected. Look at that. So that's what the two systems are for. Capture everything, the larger material on the outside. Anything that gets past that gets hit on the second cover. So your pump's pretty protected. Pretty solid pumps. So we'll power wash these and put it all back together. This makes for a really clean job once we're finished. We are about to get the fish in next. And Chloe is patiently waiting. So we'll drain this down just about 10 inches or so, and then we'll start catching the fish. And there's the frog. There's Fred. Hey, Fred. All right, my helper. You ready? All right, let's do it. Let's catch a fish. Go real slow. kind of corral them into a corner, or make sure your net's against the ground. There you go. Got one. And we're all done with this clean out. So basically drained it all, power washed it, pulled out all the filter pads, ripped out a giant plant right there, and then got the fish back in. Looks good.